In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to use your materials and save them in Blender 3D's asset browser. I'll be using a materials pack that I sell for this tutorial. The links are in the description. These materials will be applied to objects in Blender and stored for easy access in the asset browser. If your materials are in a blend file, you can simply append them into your current project. Go to File, Append, and navigate to the blend file. Go to the material folder and select the materials you want to add. Click Append to import the materials into your current project. Select the object you want to apply the material to. In the Materials tab of the Properties panel, assign the material to the object by selecting it from the drop-down in the Material slot. Blender's Asset Browser is a fantastic tool for organizing reusable assets like materials, models, textures, and more. Switch to the Asset Browser by splitting the viewport, then use the drop-down menu to switch to the Asset Browser. Under the Edit menu, open Preferences. Open the File Paths panel. This is where you'll set up the file path for your asset libraries. Click on the plus button to add a new asset library. Open the folder location and click on Add Asset Library. To save a material to the asset browser, you'll need to mark it as an asset. In the shading workspace, select the material you've applied to your project. Right-click on the material and select Mark as Asset. Once you save the blend file into the same folder as the assets, you'll now see your material in your newly created asset library. This will also work if you build your materials within Blender itself, either through procedural textures or external PBR textures. Now that your materials are saved in the asset browser, you can easily reuse them. To use a material, simply drag it from the asset browser and drop it onto the object you want to apply it to. The asset browser will show you previews of the materials so you can quickly identify them without needing to click and check them individually. This process helps you create an efficient, reusable material workflow in Blender. You can now quickly apply and organize the materials you're using in multiple scenes without the hassle of searching for them again. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.